Hello, everybody. Welcome back to K Drama Watch List. I hope you all are fine wherever you are and watching lots of K dramas. And now grab a cup of coffee or tea and let's see what K Drama Watch List has today for us. And if you are someone new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel K Drama Watch List and also hit the notification bell. Also, do follow me on Instagram account. So, shrug off all your worries for now and let's dive into the video. So, as you can see the title, Top 20 Mood Boosting K Dramas that are just perfect to lift your spirits up. Number 20, You Are Beautiful. So it's a story about a fictional music group who are in need of a new singer to group as their lead vocalist. But the story kicks off when a girl who aspires to be a nun but somehow joins this fictional music group, posing as her twin brother. However, his brother's voice was hurting and he needs to be treated, and in the meantime, his manager came up with the idea of having his twin sister pretending to be and stand for him in his place. She agrees as she didn't want to spoil her brother's chance of fame. There are so many humorous moments when she involves in the music group. The group members are also unique in their way, so there is so much to watch. So just it's a fun drama. Enjoy it, adore it, and just embrace the drama as it is. Number 19, My Girlfriend is a Gumihi. So, a mysterious, magical, and beautiful girl appears in the life of a normal college student who actually want to become an action star, but he further discovers that she is a Gumiho, a legendary fox with 9 tails, but how she came into his life and what other things starts to happen. But overall, I must say it is a worth watch and you will gonna laugh, cry, smile throughout this drama because it has a lot to tell you. Number 18, Her Private Life. So there is a girl who works as a curator at an art gallery. But she has a dark secret that she wants to keep it hidden from the world, a secret that rules every moment of her personal life. So actually there is a lot to watch in this drama, the entry of a new director, what if someone uncovers her secret, so will everything gonna be changed for her, so it's good to watch, a fun drama. Number 17, Heartstrings. So this drama is about college students, their stories, struggles, obstacles, and further how they overcome the same. So there is a college student who has strong passion for the music, and he also likes a dance teacher at his college. But this all changes for him when he meets a girl who is bright, shining, and majors in the traditional Korean instruments. Apart from the storyline, even the songs of this drama are good, and there are so many sweet scenes in between, and it's a good watch, definitely a good one, as it is also for the beginners who have just started watching K dramas. So, guys, go for it. Number 16, Jealousy Incarnate. So, a classic rom-com type of drama worth every minute of yours. This drama depicts the love between the weathercaster and an anchor. You will be able to see the prettiest love triangle here, which is way different from any other K-drama love triangles. Also, this drama has so many moments that you can't skip. Each episode is worth watching as there is an intense competitive spirit while working, and it's a light and cute drama with humor. So go for it. Number 15, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Again, this drama is a good mix of comedy, romance, and mystery. Both of the leads have good chemistry between them that is worth to watch. So there is a rich boss who is not happy with the decision of his secretary of 9 years who decides to resign from her post. You will also able to see some past connections between them. So this drama is high on love notes, ample humor, heartwarming scenes, sincerity towards love, and again a worth watching drama. Number 14, Kill Me, Heal Me. So a drama with bundle of rom-com along with a thriller and a bit of action elements in it. It depicts the story of a guy who has multiple personality disorder. This guy is a wealthy businessman, but he is suffering from a memory issues that has led him into the creation of 7 distinct personalities. In order to gain control over his life again, he seeks help from a first-year resident psychiatrist. But later she gets fall in love with one of his personalities. So it's an interesting story with so many heart-wrenching moments. So one I think could not just pass it up. Number 13, Romance is a Bonus Book. The story of this drama is between a successful and a handsome author and the chief editor of a book publishing company. And on the very other side, there is a successful former advertising copywriter. Due to some accidental circumstances, these two met during their childhood days and stayed as close friends. However, their other side of the story also depicts where the girl gets married to another man and after that she gets divorced, broke, desperate in finding a job after a long career break. And of course, her long childhood friend came into the picture and they started to work together. And yes, the friendship develops in love later. Overall, a sweet, heartwarming, and beautiful drama to watch. Number 12, Oh My Venus. When a years long lovey dovey relationship breaks up just because the girlfriend has gained some weight, seriously? Yes, this drama tells the story that our strong girl, who is a lawyer after getting dumped, takes the help from a trainer to get back into the shape and transform her life. She is a person with strong determination who can do anything in life if she puts her mind on it. This drama is so refreshing one. And also, definitely it will keep you hooked onto your screens till the end. Cuteness, comedy, chemistry, everything is just so brilliant to watch. Again, a worth watching drama, so definitely go for it. Number 11, She Was Pretty. So, guys, this drama revolves around two childhood friends where the guy in his childhood days is not so good looking, but the girl was pretty. Whereas the years have passed away and the situation becomes vice versa. The guy has grew up all handsome and attractive in physical appearance, and on the other side, the girl has lost her good looking charms that once she had during the childhood days. But they both had a crush on each other back in the time, and now when the guy came back to Korea, leaving the skates behind, he wishes to meet the girl. Now, here you will be able to see where the true love is in the test, and will the girl also want to meet him, but how she will gonna face? For that, just watch it, and overall, this drama will make you stick with it. Number 10, Weightlifting Fairy Kim Bok-joo. As the title says, Kim Bok-joo is a young girl who is chasing her dream of weightlifting on an athlete college campus, but she has crush on her friend's older brother. Although again it's a rom-com drama where this young age group of college athletes will get a different experience where chasing their dreams and falling in love part and growing in every step is the basic foundation of this drama, which is quite good to watch. But do you think Kim Bok-joo will be able to handle her career and love both, or will she be able to focus only on the one thing? Let's get into the drama to watch out. All in this drama, the struggles, the dreams, the chasing part, falling in love, everything is just worth to watch. Number 9, Legends of the Blue Sea. This show has literally so many things that makes it worthy to watch. This drama story revolves around the love between a mermaid and a witty con artist. But that's not it. This drama also keeps scrolling between Joseon period to modern day period, which is portrayed so beautifully. The connection is not only between the two characters, but the other characters of this drama also plays well in the picture. Also, so many comic, cute moments and hidden secrets which needs to be discovered are the part of this K-drama. Overall, a drama with perfect balance of sweetness and seriousness and has a lot of facts that needs to be discovered. So guys, go for it. I highly recommend this drama on the K-drama watch list. Worthy to watch, again a good drama that you can't skip so easily and it will definitely gonna keep you hooked onto your screens. Number 8, Fight for My Way. No matter what happens and no matter what others say, our two lead characters will make their own way and fight for it to make a happy living for themselves. Where one is struggling to achieve her dream of becoming an anchor, and the other one is a former taekwondo player who used to be famous but he stopped due to some incident. Apart from these two, there are other characters who really played well by performing their respective roles. So, coming back to the lead characters, they both fell in love later on while struggling to succeed in their careers, but there are challenges that they face and overcome. And this is what the story of this drama that is highly inspirational one, and it will definitely help in boosting your energy and keep your spirits up. Number 7, Beautiful Gongchen. It's an unpredictable story between four people where there are two sisters and the older one is beautiful and attractive and the little sister is warm-hearted person, but her life turns upside down when she meets two handsome boys, from which one guy took a rented room on the rooftop of their house. and the other guy is the son of a wealthy family. So overall, this drama is all about love, hatred, jealousy, happiness, competition, and all in all, the challenges between the young men and the women and how they overcome the same. Number 6, Strong Girl Bong Soon. So, a strong girl is born with a superhuman strength, a strong personality that amazes everyone, the incredible and inherited strength that has been passed all along only to the women in her family. And somehow she gets entangled with the CEO of a gaming company who hires her as his personal bodyguard. So again, a super entertaining show all in all that will boost your energies up with a very handsome CEO who's quite popular in Korea and a superhuman women. So just be ready to laugh out loud on all the cute moments that we're gonna see in this drama, and it's really a worth watching one, so go for it. Number 5, Hit the Top. It's an enjoyable comic drama. It involves around the time travel and the pieces of comedy, romance, and some mystery behind it. And as I have already told in my previous videos that in order to watch K-dramas, you need to watch 2 to 3 episodes and get the feel for it, and then you will be able to decide whether to watch it more or not. And the answer will definitely gonna be yes. So guys, just let the story, plot, content set on the very first 2 episodes of any drama. And coming back to this particular drama, so guys, this drama is a hidden gem kind of drama where every episode will bring you laughter and the chemistry between the leads is so good to watch. Also, a love triangle is there, but it will not gonna hurt at all as it has portrayed so beautifully. So once you watch it, you will definitely gonna make it into the rewatch category. Again, a worth watching drama, storyline, everything is just so perfect to watch that all in all, it is a fun drama. Number 4, Reply 1988. Although this drama is family and friendship oriented drama, the nostalgic feel and look of this drama is of year 1988. So this drama is about the lives of 5 friends and their families who lives in the same neighborhood. So these 5 friends are really good together. They hang out together, set their goals together. Also, this drama, the time is shown quite simpler with lesser technologies and the people are simple and they really care for each other. It's just that all the characters are everything through this drama. With this, let me add one thing here as everyone misses their youth and it's beautiful and shining one. But there are a few dramas like Reply in 1988 that makes you remind of your youth days. Number 3, Touch Your Heart. So it's a drama filled with cute romantic moments. So there is a popular actress who somehow gets caught in a scandal with the son of a wealthy family, but this impacted her career negatively as she looks for one last hope in order to get back on the screen. She gets a leading role of a secretary by a famous screenwriter. She puts a lot of efforts for her character and she gets into the character as she starts working as a secretary for few months under a lawyer who seems to be a cold-hearted person, but he is honest and kind too. Earlier he is not happy with the working of this actress, but he accepted the situation and later he eventually can't help but fall for her charming nature. And you will definitely gonna love the beautiful chemistry between the two. So just go for this drama without thinking twice. Number 2, Itaewon Class. So, a not too heavy drama but a light-hearted one combines struggles of youngsters, romance, revenge, but not the typical revenge plot. A guy who dreams of becoming a police officer, but as the story takes turn, this guy gets expelled from his school, and on the other side, his father also gets fired from a large food company, and then incident happens which leaves this guy as an orphan. He also gets into the prison and kills his dream of becoming a police officer. And by continuing his father's dreams, he starts off doing a business. The others of the show are also brilliant and all have a story to tell. So overall, this show tells us whether good or bad, or big or small, there is always a second chance at life that we can start over with. Number 1, Welcome to Waikiki. So full of laughter and a wonderful and a great comic drama. Basically, the storyline and the punches in it will make you laugh loud a lot. So there are 3 guys where one of them wanted to become a movie director but his bad luck never leaves him. The other guy wanted to follow his father's footsteps to become an actor, but he is just a junior actor. And the later one came to the city to be a scenario writer, but things are not easy for him also. So these 3 guys runs the guest house named Waikiki. But this guest house is not in a good situation, and as the story ahead, a mysterious baby and a single mother appears. So laughter scenes are all out there waiting for you to watch. So thank you for subscribing to my channel and watching this video. There are still lots of K-dramas and we'll bring you another video very soon. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and watch all the K-dramas suggested by K-Drama Watchlist. Thank you.